Rida. Hello, good morning everyone. We are Sustainable Group 16. I'm Henadir NS. We had to find an alternative solution for polysac bags used for vegetable and fruit transportation in Sri Lanka. Here are the details about 5 group members in our group. Let's start the presentation. First, introduction. In here, I am going to introduce what is the reason for our problem. It is polysac bags. Polysac is not very efficiency workability in food transportation sector in Sri Lanka. We proposed more efficiency new alternative solution for this polysac bags. You can know about it in this presentation. First, discuss about what is the polysacs. As shown as in this slide, polythene, petroleum polymer, and saccharops are the main ingredients in here. For more details, I invite my friend Sadhru to continue the presentation.
Thank you, Senal. Hi everyone, I am Vikram Singh SS. The properties of the polysac bags. The bags are often made of high density polythene. It's called HDPE. This plastic is usually milk white or semi-translucent, has a superior puncture, low permeability and temperature resistant. And polysac bags are water resistant, flexibility and fine rise, and is more rigid and stronger than LDPE and LLDPE, but also tears easier and has a propensity to crinkle. This is the end of the brief explanation of the properties of polysac bags. Then we move to the next slide. How it make polysac bags. The polypropylene tapes are manufactured by sliding films of polypropylene, which are produced by extrusion technique. In this process, the polypropylene granules are fed to the extruder through the hopper. The molten granules are extruded through circular die in the form of a film with required area parameters. This is a brief explanation of the current state of make polysac bags. There you can see the how to make the process of the process diagram of the made polysac bags. My friend Malaka will continue the presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Sandharu. Hi, everyone. I am Malaka THN. In this slide, you can see the uses and applications about polysacks. First one is used as packing materials like fruit, vegetable, and rice. Next one is polysac bags are get to store food and transport them, and they used to store gardening items and fertilizers. Foods. Polysacks are used for make fabric boxes, and we can seal some water prohibited item by using polysac. In figure 3 and 4, you can see transport food using polysac and seal packed by polysac bags. Let's move to next slide. In this slide, we can see the problems with the product. They are landfilling because polythene doesn't decay, blocking water spring in ground from underground polysac items, getting stuck in trees, contaminating ocean, fishes and birds and other animals eat or tangled up in polysac bag, blocking drains because littering stress, waste, transportable food because crushed, toxic polythene particle mixing up with food while transporting, emit toxic gases from burning polysac items. Here we divide the problem for 3 categories like environmental, social, and economical problems as shown as in this slide. Thank you. And next I invite to Harindra to continue our presentation.
Thanks, Nizal. I am Maratunga RMHS. I'm going to present about what are the problems related to polysac bags and its alternative solutions. We all know that polythene doesn't decay. Then it may cause landfillings and it makes the solid oil polluted. Therefore, I think if we could convert those wasted polysacks into long-term usable materials, as an example, we could make polytubes for landfillings in construction areas. Likewise, there are dozens of solutions to get rid from this polysac problem. Polysacks blocks water springs in the ground. This is a problem. The only solution which I am seeing is to prevent throwing polythene into water or onto the ground. There should be a good procedure of garbage disposal. Another problem is thrown polythene getting stuck on trees and everywhere they can hang on. Solution to this is prevent throwing garbage everywhere, contaminating oceans, animals eating and tangled on with polysac products, blocking drains. Kind of those problems have good alternatives. It is also preventing from throwing polysac materials to environment, or else those polysac items should be made with the capability of digesting the animals. Wasting food when transporting. The best practical solution is transporting food in the buckets, or it should be in a good packaging and storage spaces. Polythene emits bad toxic gases when it burning. Then alternative is stop burning polysac. Polysac products can make those materials recycling. Then let's move on to the next slide to talk about what are the proposed alternatives for polythene. We mainly consider about the food transportation sector in Sri Lanka. We have proposed COVE. We suggest to use transportable boxes to store foods in it while transporting. And also we have some same alternative materials to make those boxes, such as metal, wood, and plastic. Finally, we recommend plastic boxes for this because it's very user friendly than other alternatives, and it has less weight. It is non-decay, then it would last for a long time, and all the way it is cheaper. That's the main thing. Now I'm going to hand over this presentation to Randeep to continue. Thanks.
Okay, thank you, Arindra. I am Perila KRA. After a big discussion, we decide about the best alternative is plastic boxes. Plastic boxes are a good substitute for polysac bags. It always better than polysac bags from every sides. It is easy to transport from food items and reduce the food wastage. We can reduce the environmental pollution by long-time usable period and block-shaped structure. Now we move to next slide. Now I tell you the conclusion part. First of all, we thanks all our lecturers for giving us this opportunity to do the presentation like this kind of situation. Then I would like to thank all of our group members for their immense contribution in many ways to make this project successful, especially searching information, providing ideas, and how to make decisions as a team. By doing this project, we found an alternative solution for the vegetables and fruits transportation in Sri Lanka. In Sri Lanka, there are many problems with transporting fruits and vegetables. Using polysac bags, it wastes foods. Because of that, we propose an alternative that is plastic box. It's more efficiency, can use long time, and can be recycled. Now we move to next slide. These are our references. We refer some internet sites to make our presentation slides. Thank you.